Alrighty, here we go. These are the giveaways Draz did the other night with Optic Choice Basketball. Randall gets highest prize team, got it. And then most teams snuck it out. Like I said, there's a battle for that. I wasn't watching final biddings. I don't know how that went down, but 5 silver, 2 gold, and a bonus 101 box. So we'll just open them in that order. Silver, gold, 101. Let's get it. By the way, I just pull as we go. There's a fat gold pack in this. Klay Thompson, Jose Ramirez to 50. Spokes parallel. Acuna and Shaq. Shaq Daddy. Paul George and Pele at 299. Let's go big hitty. Here's something. Here's something. How about a Dwayne Haskins rookie relic? Haskins with Le'Veon Bell. Just looks so weird in a Jets uni. And Acuna to 99. Then a thin and a fat gold. First up, Nick Bosa rookie with a Shohei Ohtani purple cracked to 99. And the fatty. Daniel Jones rookie with, boom, LeBron James to 25. LeBron to 25 Laker relic. That'll work. That'll work. And 101 auto coming up. Here we go. Zing. Zing. One of one. Johnny Bench. Have we been on a LeBron tear? It seems like the from what I've seen, the gold bricks, like Jaren Jackson Jr. and LeBron seem to be the two that are in our gold brick, which is pretty solid. Randall, there you have it, brother.